In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shippo to Shopify. By the end, your Shopify orders will flow right into Shippo so you can create shipping labels quickly and with fewer clicks. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Head to the Shopify App Store and search for Shippo, Simplified Shipping. When you find the official app, go ahead and install it. You'll need to be logged in with the right permissions to add apps to your store. If Shopify asks you to confirm the installation, approve it to continue. After the app is installed, open the Shippo app directly from your Shopify admin. If you prefer, you can also log in to your Shippo dashboard in a separate tab. Once you're in Shippo, look for the Settings icon. This is where you control connections and other account options. Inside Settings, open the section called Stores. This is the place where you connect platforms like Shopify to your Shippo account. You'll see an option to connect a store. Choose Shopify from the list. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Use the myshopify.com version of your store address, something like yourstore.myshopify.com. This helps Shippo identify your store reliably, especially if you use a custom domain on your storefront. When you've entered the URL, click Continue or Connect to move forward. Shopify will now ask you to authorize the connection. Review the permissions and approve the request. This authorization allows Shippo to import your orders and recognize your locations so you can generate accurate labels and packing information. It's a standard part of linking the two platforms, and you'll be routed back to Shippo when it's done. Once connected, Shippo will start importing your Shopify orders automatically. The sync typically runs every 15 to 60 minutes, so don't worry if you don't see everything instantly, especially on your first connection. You'll find your imported orders listed on Shippo's Orders page. From there, you can select an order, compare carrier rates, and create shipping labels whenever you're ready. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Double-check that you entered the correct myshopify.com URL and make sure you approved all permissions during the authorization step. If orders aren't appearing right away, give it a little time and refresh the Orders page. Large order histories can take a bit longer on the initial import. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Shippo, and your orders will import automatically so you can ship faster and more confidently.